The father ignored his son while he was working on his laptop. The employee ignored his boss and continued to watch the football on his computer. The son ignored his mother when she was shouting at him. The couple ignored each other while they played on their mobile phones. The employee ignored his boss while he was shouting and yelling at him. He put a cork in his ear. The boyfriend ignored his girlfriend while he played on the PlayStation. The two puppies ignored each other. They had a massive argument. The wife ignored her husband and sat at the end of the bed. The unhappy couple ignored each other and turned their backs to one another. The man ignored his wife when she was speaking about her problems to the relationship therapist. The woman ignored the person on the other end of the phone.
The boy ignored his mother by covering his ears when she started shouting at him for not tidying his room.
The man ignored his girlfriend while he was watching the football. The teenage girl ignored her mother while she texted her boyfriend. The wife ignored her husband when he wanted to speak to her. The man ignored Jesus by putting his head in the sand.
The teenage boy ignored his father by continuing to listen to music on his smartphone.
The woman on the right ignored the other woman when she walked past her. The girl ignored the boy when he came over to ask her out. The woman ignored her husband after they had an argument. The man ignored his blind date and she got completely bored. The man ignored his wife when she came home. The mother-in-law ignored her son's girlfriend. The teenager ignored someone on the street that she didn't want to speak to. The woman ignored her baby because she was too busy on her phone. The mother ignored her child while she was reading the paper. The woman ignored the overweight man. The man ignored his stalker when she appeared at the window. All of the friends ignored each other when they went for a drink of coffee. The man and woman ignored each other on their date.